tell me how you met Dave?
Yeah, so I met with Dave quite a while back when I was still living in San Clemente, probably, that's going to go 5 years ago or so. And back then I had my truck, had a straight six in it. It was still a step side, and I was considering, just upgrading the engine at that point. So I reached out to Dave. He had an ad on Craigslist, if you remember the Craigslist days. And he responded right away, and he said, yeah, hit me up. And some time went by. I wasn't 100% ready at the time, but sort of fate led me back to the Inland Empire, and I moved back to Upland. And so I hit him up when I got back here, and he and I started working together probably 3-4 years ago. And the rest has sort of been a work in progress. The first thing we did was upgrade the engine on the truck. We swapped out that straight 6 250 that I had in it before. We put an Ellis 4.8 in it, and ran great. And as it goes, the story goes with upgrading anything, right? You get into one upgrade, and then you want to do another, and then another. And so we started talking about maybe doing a decent driver quality paint job on it. And while we're at it, maybe just swapping out the step side bed on it. And one thing led to another, and here we are a year later, and now we're in a complete frame off rebuild, because the deeper you go, the more stuff you want. So we're getting close. The frame is now it's getting painted now, and hopefully in the next few months we'll be ready for final paint, and we'll put this sucker back together so everyone can enjoy it, including myself.